Oh my God, binalikan ko yung laman after natin mag-usap.
Ngayon mo lang binalikan?
Hindi, after natin mag-usap. Gusto nyo sabihin, a year ago.
Okay.
Because you were here exactly a year ago.
Oh, really?
Oh. May.
Ay, oo.
Pero on a Saturday.
Right,
diba?
right.
Memorial Day on a Saturday.
Diba? I remember, yes.
So, after that, sabi ko, oh my God, di ko natanong kay Melody yun. So now, I will take the opportunity.
Oh, no.
Pag pinakinggan niyo yung mga lyrics ng mga kanta ng The Melodies on Spotify, it's very provocative. And ikaw ang nagsusulat ng mga lyrics noon.
Yes.
Lapit mo sa mic, ba't lumalayo ka?
Galing sa ilong eh. Yes. With conviction. Yes.
You know, this is a very different melody.
Diba?
That came out.
Kasi pagkatapos,
I heard that.
yes!
I heard that album, and it's like a completely different melody.
Oh.
So para ito paano ko ba sasabihin to ng hindi ko sinasabi to?
Paano nangyari yun?
Kasi sabi ko, hindi si Melody to eh. Nilalagay lang niya yung sarili niya doon sa ibang tao. Pero pag pinakikita mo yung laman, parang na-imagine mo si Melody na
hindi mo may imagine, mahirap.
Yun na nga, di ba? Parang, kaya tatanungin kita, when you were writing that, what was going through your head? Sino pina-personify mo? Kasi i-deny mo naman na tungkol sa iyo yun eh.
Ba't dinideny? May word siya, deny.
Tungkol sa akin.
Si Lay actually,
Oo,
yung
ako
nasa
yun,
utak
ako
ko.
yun.
Sabi ko si Lay
Tungkol
yun
sa
eh.
akin.
Mga desires ni Lay.
Oh, go.
No. There's really...
Time out. Pakinggan niyo yung kanta on Spotify. Ililink din namin yung link ng kanta na tinutukoy namin. Okay, go.
Hindi kasi I wanted this song really to be provocative. Kasi nga, I had a picture of this person. Let's just say...
Dinedeny.
Hindi ko dinideny.
Hindi nga tungkol sa kanya.
Hindi tungkol sa akin. It's a story. It's a story that I had in mind that I want to be out through a song. And I think by picturing, I really had to contemplate on the lyrics. Pero the lyrics came out really fast. Like, within 4 hours from the time I woke up and heard the melody, tapos na lahat. The verse, the chorus, the chords, and everything, the lyrics, done. And the thing is, I was just so inspired that to write a song about laman, which is flesh, and then dun lang nag-revolve, parang bigla ako na-obsess. Tapos sabi ko, maganda tong kanta na to if it's, kasi ang unang word na nag-drop is paulit-ulit. And tikman mong paulit-ulit. And when you say tikman, it's like you want to taste, right? And it always would probably apply to food.
Tapos first person pa, guys.
First person?
Sige.
Pero yun nga, so I want it to be interesting. Pag tinikman mo paulit-ulit, parang corny naman kung tungkol sa kanin.
Sabihin mo sa kanila yung first, you recite the first verse.
Aking hirang ako'y sa'yo.
Diba?
Ako iyo.
Diba?
Nakalimutan
First person. Hindi yung may hinirang, siya'y kanya.
Siyempre, you have to project na, diba?
Exactly my
Convey the
point.
message.
Hindi ko sabihin, pag nag-drive ako, papuntang Fontana, pinakikinggan ko after the passion ko. Oh.
Napawisan ba yun?
Oh.
Pinapawisan ka.
Sorry. Tignan mo. Okay,
Sweaty
aking hirang.
hands.
Okay, game.
Aking hirang ako'y iyo. Kahit hiram, tikman mong paulit-ulit. Hiram yung
Tandaan nyo guys,
tagay.
laman to, laman.
Adobo yun, adobo.
Next.
Ano
Ano
ba?
ba sunod?
Pakinggan mo.
Tinikman niya
Mature
yung
na mature.
adobo.
Ako kahit hiram, tikman mong paulit-ulit. Mainit man o tag-ulan?
Oh, tinola. Tinola! Man! You know what?
Yes, ni Leo!
Ikaw!
So, utak ko yun.
You have a green mind.
So, madumi ang utak ko. Ganon.
It's about
So,
tinola.
tungkol sa ulat to, pagkain to, laman.
Talaga, oh.
Diba?
You know, it's your interpretation pa ako. Green-minded ka kasi.
Bakit hindi ulam ang title nitong kanta na to?
Laman o aking laman, tikman mo pa ulit-ulit, o di ba?
Next.
Kaya nga, mainit man o tag-ulan, aking laman, tikman mo pa ulit-ulit.
Adobo, sinigang.
Alam mo, may music video na ba to?
Alam mo, wala.
Dapat manok. Dapat manok yung kumakanta.
It's tough to make a
Aking
video
laman.
kasi, di ba? Parang ayaw namin bigyan ng literal na di ba? So, kayo nang bahala mag-isip.
Mike, di ba? Nakikita mo yung sabi, oh, next.
Next pa ulit.
Uy,
Okay.
ibenta
Kasi
mo
gusto
to
ko
sa
pakinggan,
Magnolia.
guys,
Pwede to sa Magnolia.
Napakagandang kanta.
Magnolia chicken.
I mean, sabi ko nga, sis, if I had the opportunity to promote Laman last year, I would have done so. Pero I'm taking this opportunity so i-dissect
thank
natin.
you.
Because napakagandang kanta. It's very provocative. Okay, next.
Hanggang kailan maiibsan, larawan mo, siyang laging nakaukit.
So menu, yung menu.
Yung menu, di ba?
May picture yun eh. Hanggang kailan kaya.
Di ba?
Ano? Sige.
Di ba yun
Yung pa rin?
It works. Yes, it works.
Waffle. Okay, game.
Ano ba? Hanggang kailan may sa
Pwede to sa Jollibee.
siyang laging nakaulit. Gosh, I forgot. Hanggang kailan may sa larawan mo, siyang laging nakaulit. Gosh, I forgot
Tingnan
na.
natin lyrics.
Talagang tinignan.
Kasi maganda nga. And I want people to understand
Oh my
na.
God.
Na.
Ito yung papakinggan ni Paco para sa kanya.
Okay,
yung desire niya to populate the earth with a few
promote,
more to add to add more.
tigtigang ako sa puso mo. Mahal kita. Ikaw ang laging iniisip.
Thank you very much for watching the Paco Space Podcast.
Tigang, ibig sabihin you want water.
Water.
Di ba? Oh. Ayan na, mapapopulate ng mundo.
So, pagkain pa rin. Lapit mo, magsalita ka.
Di ba nga, tinigang? Kakain ng tinigang.
Tinigang na baboy.
Laman yun, laman.
Medyo umurong na. Ang huli. Oh, gosh, Paco. Ano ba?
Pero it's on Spotify, guys.
Yes,
And
yes.
please support that.
Salamat.
Dahil kailangan, kami mga indie bands, kailangan namin ng suporta ninyong lahat.
Correct.
And the quality of the music is still top notch.
Oo naman. Lahat naman tayo dito ng yung mga original Filipino artists that we're trying really hard to promote our own, songs na we just need support from the usual people who would rather go the other side. Pero we're producing, real good quality music. It's relatable, as you have heard.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Lahat tayo nagugutom.
oh, diba? Gutom na, uhaw pa.
How pa? Tinigang na baboy.
So, we're
Nailusot pa niya.
naitawid pa eh. Pinilit. Ang tawag doon, pinilit.
Ang tawag doon, creative.
Yes.
So yun nga, yun ibig sabihin na, nung pinakinggan sabi ko,
I assure you, pakinggan mo ulit ngayon. Iba na.
Talagang magugutom ka.
magugutom ka.
Yes.
Visit AbbotEServices.com for fast medical transcription service. This podcast episode is brought to you by AB Music Creative.